Hi everybody, it's Miranda here with Doing Life, and today I'm in my kitchen. So if you want to know what I'm doing in here, stick around.
There must be another way, there must be conscience, different things in different ways. There must be love, there must be a reason, and a little bit of faith has got to come my way.
So today in my kitchen, I have some hairs, rogue hairs. It is a livable kitchen, so I do have some dishes over here. They are clean. I just have to put them away. They were drying. But anyways, today we're going to talk about daily harvest. And this is a huge box, but I'm so excited to get into it. I am going to pull up on my phone a couple of things because I don't want to tell you wrong. And so, yeah, that would just not be good. If you are brand new to my channel, I'll go ahead and say welcome. I'm glad you're here. Every once in a while, I do things in my kitchen. I try to do more and more, but then I forget. So, just whatever you see is what you get on here. I do all kinds of unboxings, shopping hauls, and lifestyle videos. If that sounds like something you're interested in, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and tap the notification bell so you get notified of all my future videos. Alright, so I am pulling up the daily harvest. If you decide that after this video you would like to try daily harvest for yourself, you can click my link and I will give you $25 off your first box. One thing that appealed to me about daily harvest is that, I gotta close that, and I'll tell you why. I'm kind of coffee in just a second. So, one thing that appealed to me about daily harvest was the fact that I'm staying at home working now, and it was a little bit different than your normal, food delivery service. It's not anything I really have to cook if I don't want to, and I'm hoping it will just be kind of easy peasy. They do have several options. The smoothie option is what really appealed to me, but then I got to looking and they had a ton of other items as well. So they have smoothies, they have harvest bowls, they now have flatbreads. I think there's one in here that I wanted to try. They have soups, they have little, I don't know if they're energy bites, but they're like these little bites. They have oat bowls, which I thought might appeal to not only myself, but Matthew. And they have ice cream now. They didn't have ice cream before, so that's really exciting. They also have chai bowls. I love chai. And they have lattes. You can do different tiers. Right now I'm ordering 14 every week. I don't know if we're not gonna use all 14, then I might do that every 2 weeks. You can skip or do whatever you want anytime. The reason one thing about it, I will say, there is dry ice in here and it's kind of in the area right now. So I'm gonna kind of let you see what is inside the box. That's what it looks like. It does come via UPS and there are all my goodies. Hopefully that did not make you sickly at the stomach. All right, let's pull some of these out and see what I got. I'm kind of short, so I have to stand on my tippy toes. All right, this one is a harvest bowl. It's tomato, cauliflower, butternut squash, kale, black garlic, and za'atar, and it's organic. So that's pretty cool. So this is what the harvest bowl looks like. I mean, it's good size. Then I'm pulling out one of the smoothies. This is mint and cacao. And I know you just pull off the little paper tab here, and if you want to throw everything back in here after you blend it, I have a Ninja. You can just stick your straw right in there and it's on the go. Let's see, here's another Harvest bowl. Oh no, this is a chai bowl. It's vanilla bean and apple. And these, you add a half a cup of milk and cover, soak in the fridge overnight for 6 hours. Stir and then dig in. This is pureed soup. I'm having just, I can't even see in there. I'm just pulling them out. Sweet potato, coconut, white miso, jalapeno dulce, rishi, and it's organic. The soups, you add a cup of water or unsalted broth, pour into the blender, blend until smooth, and then you can cook it on the stovetop or in your microwave. This one is another smoothie. It is cold brew and almond. I think their packaging is really cute. This one is acai and cherry. It's got cherry, blueberry, banana, raspberry, acai, and kale. I love that they're organic. All right, this must be the flatbread. It is a kale and coriander. I don't know if you'll be able to see. If I can, I'll pop a picture up here of what it looks like. Any of these that you would like to see me try, just head on over to my Instagram stories. The link is down below. This one is a Harvest bowl. It says it's quinoa and chipotle. It has zucchini, quinoa, tomato, purple corn, mesquite, and chipotle. An oat bowl. This one is apple and cinnamon. It has oats, apple, cauliflower, walnut, pumpkin seed, and cinnamon. Mango and greens smoothie. Mango, spinach, cucumber, coconut, lime, camu. I have no idea what that says. I know it's probably backwards for you, so. Then some more soup. This one is tomato, zucchini minestrone, which has zucchini, tomato, chickpea, kale, black garlic, and basil. This is a Harvest bowl. It's broccoli and rice with plus dill pilaf. It's broccoli, asparagus, coconut, pumpkin seed, MCT oil, and dill. I was hoping that some of these would be low carb. And it will tell you, you can look up the nutrition facts before you pick. This one is coconut and lemon. Coconut, dates, lemon, ginger, cinnamon, and galagongo. I have no idea what that is, but hopefully it'll be good. And I think I have one more. This one is an oat bowl. It's blueberry and lemon, blueberry oats, Murasaki, I don't know, lemon, poppy seed, and saka inky. I am not all about reading things that are not in English or American. Some, you know, stuff that I'm not used to. But if anybody wants to tell me how to say them, you go right ahead. All right. So in this one, just to wrap it up, I got 1, 2, Harvest bowl, no, it's a soup. A Harvest bowl, a soup. Some of them say pureed soup and some of them say regular soup. So this one is a chai bowl. I wonder if all the chai bowls, yeah, the chai bowls are overnight. Harvest bowl. And then, okay, so smoothies, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 smoothies. I picked 3 of the chai bowls. I picked 3 of the Harvest bowls. I picked 2 soups and one flatbread. This one with the coriander, that just spoke to me. Sweet potato flatbread. So we'll see. It says sweet potato, red cabbage, kale, cauliflower, spinach, and coriander. So I'm really curious to see what this one's all about. All right, I hope everybody enjoyed this video. If you want to see me make any of these, then just head on over to my Instagram stories. The link's down below. And I'll see you in the next video.
around you like you made of glass. Got an invincible fence letting everyone know not to